celebrating 90 years. Globe Asphalt Paving Company, paving progress in the community. We're a family-owned and managed business, and for 90 years, we've been providing exceptional paving products and service to our Indiana communities. Our principles are our foundation. Produce quality products, excel at service, provide value. It's what we do. It's who we are. Parking lots to roadways, from tracks to trails and everything in between, we have the capabilities and equipment that delivers excellence to every level of paving applications. Our core services: asphalt paving, grading, excavating, and decorative paving production. Whether your paving project is large or small, we deliver the right solution. Globe Asphalt Paving Company, since 1931, celebrating 90 years of paving progress in the community. Globe Decorative Pavement Solutions. When you see Globe Decorative Asphalt, you'll find a progressive community. Globe Decorative Pavement Solutions. When you see Globe Decorative Asphalt, you'll find a progressive community.
Globe Asphalt Paving. When you see Globe Decorative Asphalt, you'll find a progressive community. It's a progressive vision. Convert 4 blocks of an ordinary campus street into an enhanced, multi-purpose student and public green space. Purdue University, in a partnership with Globe Asphalt, did just that. Now, what was 4 blocks of crowded student and pedestrian sidewalks and a campus street has been transformed into an expressive display of modern space and iconic streetscape. The right partnerships: forward-thinking urban development, engineering, physics, mathematics, and applied science, with the right mix of creative green space design, converted crowded sidewalks and an ordinary street in the heart of campus to what is now known as the 3rd Street Pedestrian Mall. Purdue's 3rd Street Pedestrian Mall, a graphic visual example of Boilermaker pride, an intellectual gathering place, and university landmark.
Globe Decorative Pavement Solutions. When you see Globe Decorative Asphalt, you'll find a progressive community.
Preformed impressed thermoplastic asphalt crosswalks, Traffic Patterns XD. Of course, every Indiana city, town, collegiate campus, business, or community development with roadway thoroughfares is concerned about local vehicle traffic and public safety at crosswalks and intersections. Urban engineers, city planners, and architects, there's an affordable, creative solution that allows street planning with the ability for creative, colorful streetscape expression. It's Traffic Patterns XD Decorative Crosswalks. This is an applied process that delivers an affordable solution, increasing crosswalk visibility and safety, while offering a huge, unique additional beautification advantage to every community, campus, or development. Compared to other processes like concrete or brick paver crosswalks, the imprinted thermoplastic Traffic Patterns XD is clearly the superior choice. The asphalt application of Traffic Patterns XD crosswalks is more affordable and requires far less maintenance. This process provides quick installation, which is a tremendous benefit when working on busy thoroughfares, minimizing installation disruption to traffic flow. The low-maintenance Traffic Patterns XD material in the crosswalk surfaces is much easier and faster to repair. The applied material to surface areas also provides reflective properties and skid-resistant surfaces. The utilization is smart, increases roadway appeal, and provides an opportunity for distinctive streetscape expression. Decorative crosswalks provide connectivity, interlocking, and highlighting pedestrian pathways that link communities, campuses, and developments while increasing public and traffic safety at crosswalk and roadway intersections. Decorative crosswalks connect, interlock, and highlight pedestrian directional pathways to business, community, and residential living. They can link to special city services, civic amenities, parks, schools, and provide direction flow within campuses and residential or business developments. Globe Decorative Solutions is the only certified applicator of Traffic Patterns XD crosswalks for most of Indiana. One of the most common inquiries from the urban engineers, city planners, and architects is about the unique advantages and processes of Traffic Patterns XD decorative installation. Traffic Patterns XD provides low-maintenance solutions, quick repair, and the benefits of colorful asphalt impressed expression and directional messaging. Here are the steps of the preformed impressed thermoplastic application installation. Heat asphalt surface to 300 to 350 degrees. Place the template grid over hot asphalt and use a compactor to imprint design. Apply a sealant to the area with a roller. Place preformed thermoplastic pieces over sealant. Heat place preformed thermoplastic to 300 to 350 degrees. Apply the topical corundum element for reflective and anti-skid properties. Place template grid over warm thermoplastic and use compactor to reinforce design. Place and heat white transverse borders. Allow to cool to 90 to 100 degrees, then reopen to pedestrians and vehicles. When selecting Globe Decorative Solutions, the crosswalk applications enhance every community, college, or development with urban landmarks, resulting in creating roadway landscapes with unique individual community identity. Globe Decorative Solutions Traffic Patterns XD is clearly the superior choice when you need to asphalt intersection crosswalks. If you have any questions or would like to discuss the many benefits and safety features of Globe Decorative Solutions crosswalks, contact us at 317-568-4344 or email us through our website contact page, globeasphalt.com. When you see Globe Decorative Asphalt, you'll find a progressive community.
Globe Asphalt Paving Company, celebrating over 90 years. Paving progress in the community.
When it comes to trails, paths, even bikeways, and designated painted traffic lanes, Globe Asphalt leads the way. There's no greater amenity to any city, town, or neighborhood than paved asphalt trails. Paved pathways provide green spaces that link communities with our municipal services, civic amenities, local businesses, and neighborhoods. Asphalt pathway surfaces are also a necessary component of the landscape design when traversing golf courses and the parks where our families relax and play. Globe provides total turnkey paving solutions for trails, paths, bikeways, and dedicated road lanes. No matter the project size, from surface grading, building subgrade to paving and rolling of the asphalt, Globe Asphalt has the experience, knowledge, right equipment, and expert manpower for proper, superior installation for almost any project every step of the way. Quality installation of asphalt pathways, trails, or painted lane surfaces requires special expertise. Simply getting the needed materials and equipment properly positioned involves special logistics skills to protect and accommodate the various rolling topographies and grades of each project's unique landscape environment. Globe Asphalt has been paving Indiana for over 90 years. Our knowledgeable, skilled teams deliver exceptional installation services for any type of trail or pathway exactly as planned. This assures that every community, residential, and commercial path or trail installed by Globe Asphalt is a beautiful surface, built exactly as designed from start to finish. Nothing completes a community's directional traffic thoroughfares or pathway systems better or adds more value than the addition of designated bus or bike lanes and community trails. Every city or town enhances its civic identity when choosing to connect their bus, bike lanes, and trail systems with beautifully designed decorative crosswalks. They link local business sectors, residential living, and directionally connect to area civic services and amenities. Decorative crossings at intersections increase the visibility of walking and driving thoroughfares while improving vehicle and pedestrian safety with reflective, non-skid surface areas within walkways. Low-maintenance, Globe Asphalt decorative crosswalks express every community's unique civic brand, displaying distinctive, artistic lane and logo designs that enhance street aesthetics while increasing public safety. When delivering total turnkey trail, path, bikeway, and designated lane services, Globe Asphalt Paving leads the way. If you would like to discuss our total trail and path paving solutions, contact us through the website contact page at globeasphalt.com. Or let's talk by phone. Call us at 317-568-4344. Globe Asphalt Paving Company.
Globe Asphalt Paving Company, paving progress in the community.
Globe Asphalt has the right experience and expertise to provide any type of quality paved sports surface ready for action. We have the skill and knowledge to work within the boundary lines of tight spaces. We pave new or update existing outdoor surfaces that are ready for record-breaking competition. When it comes to paving, almost any type of outdoor court or track and field facilities, from the first racket volley to the final set point to the winning hoop or the sprint from the start to the finish line, Globe Asphalt will provide the winning surface solution. Globe provides total turnkey paving services for almost any type of outdoor asphalt sports surface. We have the right team and equipment for the perfect outcome that's ready for action. Whatever the project size or demanding design factors, like exacting grades and challenging drainage issues, Globe's expertise assures a gold medal outcome. From existing facility new milling, resurfacing of courts, running tracks, or building new or replacing football field surfaces, Globe Asphalt paves the way. We have the proper experience, knowledge, right equipment, and expert manpower for superior installation for almost any outdoor athletic surface, from start to finish. Installing proper outdoor courts, track facilities, or football fields requires exacting standards and specialized knowledge. Simply getting the needed materials and equipment properly positioned for the installation processes involve special logistics skills to protect and accommodate the various rolling topographies and grades demanded by each unique ground environment. Our knowledgeable, skilled teams deliver exceptional installation for every type of private or public athletic court, running track, or football field facility. This assures that every community or residential surface installed is a beautiful surface that's built and drains exactly as designed, ready for years of play and enjoyment. When delivering total turnkey courts for pickleball, tennis, or basketball, or exceptional football and running track and field facilities, Globe Asphalt paves the winning way. If you'd like to discuss outdoor courts, football fields, or track and field paving solutions, you can reach us on our website contact page, globeasphalt.com, or let's talk, 317-568-4344.